Picture your mind, spirit, soul, all working together from a different location to help raise your physical body, guys, on this planet. Okay, so just like parents work together to raise a child into adulthood, those three entities, if that's what you want to call it, will work together to help your life and your development on this planet. So think of like kids are a reflection of the parents. Think of your physical body, your physical condition being a reflection of those three entities, okay? And so it's like the decisions that your mind make, and then the lifestyle choices that your soul chooses, and the path that your spirit decides to walk on will determine the conditions of your body, you know, and your environment. And so think of your body as an avatar, character you choose in the game. When you playing a game, you know, you're not the actual character in the game. You're controlling the character. You're in full control of the character, okay? You even choose how you want the character to look. You even choose the special skills and the weapons based on what's ahead for the character's life, or the level, you know, the character is going to be on. And so in this case, your trio up there decides, you know what I'm saying, on what your body will eat, if it's healthy or not, decides if your body will seek higher education, if your body will exercise, if your body will, you know, try drugs and alcohol. And so with that perspective, guys, make sure that your mind, spirit, and soul are making the best decisions for your future.